The iPhone 16e has arrived, and it might be the upgrade you've been looking for if you want an affordable model that feels contemporary and new. Let's explore what makes this device so appealing. In essence, the iPhone 16e continues the legacy of the iPhone SE, a cherished classic updated for modern times. Apple has maintained the features we appreciate: a durable and sleek aluminum body with those distinctive squared edges, coupled with a ceramic shield display that resists scratches like a champ, while introducing some modern elements. Now, it boasts a vibrant 6.1-inch OLED display. And yes, it still has that familiar notch for Face ID, powered by the A18 chip with Apple Intelligence. Even though the GPU has transitioned from 5 cores to 4, its performance remains seamless. Now, if you're concerned about safeguarding your new device, if you felt that anxious moment when your iPhone slips from your grasp, fearing a significant repair bill, the ESR Halo Lock Classic Hybrid case might be just what you need. I started using it after facing too many close calls, and it has been remarkable. Unlike most cases that leave your buttons exposed to potential drops, this one is sturdily built, made with high aluminosilicate 9H tempered glass and an innovative PCB core, featuring 6 enhanced capacitive conductive stacks. It's like a tailored shield for your phone. What truly stands out is its magnetic grip. It remains securely in place even during vigorous shaking. I tested it 5 times, and it didn't move. The ingeniously designed camera frame not only protects your lens, but also serves as a stand, ideal for hands-free marathon viewing. With 3 times the military-grade protection and a seamless 3-layer construction that combines tempered glass, a PCB board, and a PC frame, it helps you avoid repair costs that could reach up to $749. Every tap, press, and slide feels seamless, thanks to its responsive design and anti-fingerprint coating, while its magnetic strength of 1,500 grams ensures it stays in position. Apple has also let go of certain outdated features. The Lightning ports, LCD screens, and the basic 64GB storage option we once knew are no longer part of the package. With the iPhone 16e, the 6.1-inch display is now considered small, and storage begins at 128GB, going up to 512GB. Essentially, Apple is signaling, welcome to the future, but don't fret, it won't empty your wallet. Priced starting at $599, it's around $170 more than the previous iPhone SE, but is still a great deal compared to the premium iPhone 16. There are also some attractive additional features. You'll find Apple's first in-house 5G modem, the C1, and a redesigned action button on the side. With up to 26 hours of video playback, 4 more hours of streaming than the iPhone 16, it's a standout feature. Of course, there are some compromises. The iPhone 16e does not include the ultra-wide camera, the camera control button, MagSafe support, or the eye-catching dynamic island feature. It's akin to choosing a dependable road trip vehicle over a flashy sports car, functional, efficient, and designed for day-to-day use without unnecessary bells and whistles. Now, if you love getting into the nitty-gritty details, here's a quick side-by-side of iPhone 16e with its beefier cousin, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The iPhone 16e features a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate, while the more luxurious iPhone 16 Pro Max sports an expansive 6.9-inch display at 120 Hz with a peak brightness of up to 2000 nits versus 1200 nits on the 16e. Both are equipped with the A18 chipset and 8GB of RAM, but the Pro Max offers an A18 Pro, more storage choices, and a triple camera system that includes a telephoto lens for those memorable zoom shots. Nevertheless, For many, the slightly smaller, lighter, and more budget-friendly 16e proves to be the perfect selection. Ultimately, the iPhone 16e captures that cutting-edge iPhone essence without the hefty price. It's functional, performs excellently, and boasts impressive battery life, all while feeling refreshingly modern. So, what do you think? Are you excited to join the iPhone 16e community? Or do you still find the appeal of the Pro Max irresistible? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.